Um,
Really?
yeah. It means Janelle.
Jenny, I'm not taking a picture.
Oh, that's it. Oh.
Oh.
Not of me, on my hand.
Your hand?
That's it by Janelle. Hell, you want this.
Oh, that's okay, baby. You can have it. I don't want it. It's yours.
Oh, you have it, this one. I have it. Let's try this.
No, that's okay, JJ.
It's by Janelle.
Okay, Jenny.
Oh, you have it. You want this, okay? You want this.
No, JJ. That's mine and that's yours.
Oh, yeah, this. Mine. And you have this. Then I have this. No, I don't want it. Hey, put your hand.
You put it in your hand.
No. Who said no?
You.
Hey, put it in the table.
We'll put it on there later.
Okay.
Oh, JJ. Dropped it.
Oh. You want it. Hey, put it up.
No, JJ. We can't put it up right now.
Don't do my makeup.
You done?
No.
No, you want some more?
Yeah, I want this. I mean, I have it.
No, you can't have it.
I'll put it on.
You don't want to put it on?
Paintings for girls.
Hey, JJ. Want to put a hat on?
Yeah.
JJ, close it.
Oh.
Janelle.
Oh. No, nothing.